Hey everybody, this is Dr. Sanders here at Integrated Health Solutions. Today I want to talk a little bit about jaw pain. Jaw pain can be quite frustrating to deal with if you've ever experienced it. One of the reasons it's difficult to deal with is identifying the source of the pain. Some jaw pain can come from inner ear infection problems. Some jaw pain can come from the joint, how the jaw joint moves. Some jaw pain can originally come from tension and stress, emotional stress that causes tension in the muscles that refer pain to the jaw. One particular aspect of jaw pain that is oftentimes overlooked is the myofascial referral pain, or pain from trigger points. Trigger points are areas of the muscle that develop and change to become more hardened and coarse and not as effective with doing their job because they've been overworked from overcontraction, maintaining a certain posture, etc. And a lot of jaw muscles refer pain to the jaw, and even neck muscles and other muscles of the body can refer pain to the jaw. So knowing how to take loads off of these specific muscles is crucial in helping deal with jaw pain. One particular activity that contributes to overworking of jaw muscles is gum chewing. Now, gum chewing in general is not a bad thing, but if we're not utilizing the correct muscles in the correct sequence of those muscles, increased overworked tension can develop within the jaw muscles, and they can develop those trigger points, which can lead to jaw pain. So learning techniques about how to better utilize the jaw would be very beneficial for all users, especially those who suffer from jaw pain, because it's not just the activity. One gum chewer can have pain while another one doesn't, but they use the same body parts. They have the same jaw. And the question is why is that? And it has to do with how they're being used. So I invite you to check out my blog post to learn more about the origins of jaw pain and how to better take care of trigger point related pain that refers to the jaw area. Thanks for watching and enjoy the blog post.